Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Huion WH1404. Sorry. So I just opened the box with my katana. I bet you didn't even see that coming. Oh god damn it. I'm sorry for this joke. So here's the product box. It's a clean white box with the Huion logo on it and the product name and the product I would say photo. So in the box you get a card. So I should mention that I already opened this box, so to test the product I just replaced the things in the box just for the unboxing. So I own two Huion tablet and all of them came in a similar box with a nice texture inside the box. So this is a card you get, and thank you for choosing Huion. And this is a warranty card for the product. I really take too long with this box in my hand, with this fucking card in my hand. So I'm not going to be touching the tablet itself yet. I'm just going to go into the box and kind of get everything inside. So what I'm opening right now is the product card. I would say this have a little card in it with a how to install the drivers, and this is also the manual on how to get the project working. So since I already have those, I don't think I really need the manual. So I don't really think that the manual is really that important unless you really don't know what you are doing. So I like everything around me really clean, so that's why you would see there I'm going to be like putting everything back in its place. And also I really like to keep all the boxes of the things that I buy. I don't know, just makes it look good. I don't know. So this is the cable you get in the box. This is a micro USB cable. You don't get a USB-C as I would hope, because the previous tablet that I owned was a USB-C tablet. The previous tablet that I owned was a Huion WH1409. I think it's a bit older than this one. I don't know. I don't really remember. But a USB-C would have been great with this tablet. So here is the pen. This is a black pen with a nice texture to it. My previous tablet's pen was a bit too slippery. Also I had to change my rings to kind of be able to press the button of the pen really nice. So this is what you trade for having nice rings, I would say. So this is the pen holder, and it's a bit dirty because I've been using the tablet also already. Jesus, I really need to. God damn it, that noise. What are they doing outside my room? So you can put the pen in a crouching position and in a standing position, like my previous pen holder. Now this is more of a donut shape. So in the pen holder you get 12 nibs. I didn't really count them, but you get some nibs, some pen nibs, just in case. I'm a bit I'm a bit freaky with my pen nibs. I change them every every 2 or 3 months, so they get used up really quick. What am I even doing? There's nothing under this box. So everything is good, and this is the tablet. This is what you get. A big nice tablet. I put out of this package. Jesus fucking Christ, language today. I can't really speak. So this is the tablet. It's a 18 by 9 tablet with a working space of 13.8 by 8.2 inches, and this is my previous tablet, the WH1409, and this is how it fits in it. So yeah, and there is 4 glowing things: one for the pen, one for the wireless option, one for the battery when it's charging, and one for when it doesn't have any charging. This is the on-off switch for if you are using it with the wireless option. It have 12 programmable buttons that I never use in the tablet because I have a keyboard which I use for my shortcuts. So this is a turn on of the tablet. There's just the place to put the cable and in a little place where the wireless switch is kept. So these have been, I would say, everything you need to know about the tablet. And pressure sensitivity, all these things, they don't really matter, I would say, because every tablet out there right now have some level of pressure sensitivity from they range from like 2000 to 8000. No, yeah, 2000 to 8000. 1,000, yeah, 1,000. Jesus fucking Christ. And yeah, so this is a drawing that I'm going to be doing with the tablet, like to kind of test it. I think I would have my like the another like window up here with my like hand trying to do the drawing. I hope you enjoy the process and everything. And yeah, this have been it. And I would say the tablet is really good too. It really feels good. It's nice and large. So I purchased my previous tablet just because it was a really big tablet, and I got this one. It's even bigger, so it's even better. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like or subscribe. I don't know. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.